Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in bright white. With black headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black daylight opening moldings, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, Park Sense rear park assist with stop, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5697.